Social media can make anybody famous overnight, but sometimes it can also damage the reputation of the entire community within seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, a viral video from the United States is now creating exactly that kind of discussion. The video reportedly shows a large crowd of Indian shoppers rushing into a newly opened supermarket, and that too during a promotional event. The whole incident quickly spread on social media, specifically Instagram, with many users criticizing the behavior and arguing that such scenes reinforce negative stereotypes about Indians living overseas. Well, the footage has generated widespread online debate about public behavior and community image. Now, one video, it can never represent an entire community. We do agree with that. Millions of Indians live across America. They work as doctors, engineers, scientists, teachers, business owners, and public servants. In fact, their contribution to American society, it is enormous. But unfortunately, one social media clip, one viral one, it often receives much more attention than thousands of positive stories. And that is exactly why this incident has started an important conversation. In fact, many members of the Indian diaspora themselves are saying that whenever Indians live abroad, they also become the ambassadors of India's image. Simple things like following rules, respecting cues, showing patience, and behaving responsibly help build a positive reputation for the entire country. Because you know what? Whether we like it or not, people often judge an entire community based on actions of a few individuals. And that may not be fair, but it is the reality of today's social media world where YouTube, Instagram, and Snapchat exists. And yes, while one viral video creates online debate, well, for years, Indian Americans have proudly celebrated their culture, their festivals, their faith across the United States. Hindu temples have become much more than just place of worship. They are community centers where families meet, children learn about their roots, and festivals bring thousands of people together. But now, one incident has left many members of the Indian community deeply disturbed. A self-proclaimed MAGA influencer, Elijah Schaffer, he recently posted videos outside the Hindu temple in Texas targeting Indian families and children. In the video, he questioned the presence of the children of H-1B visa holders, criticizing birthright citizenship, and even said that he would not celebrate America's Independence Day because there were too many Indian kids in the country. Can you imagine? Now, this video has sparked widespread outrage among members of Indian American community. Think about this. Children playing outside a temple, they are children. Parents simply practicing their faith, families spending time together, and suddenly they become part of a political campaign that they never intended to be in. That's exactly why many Indian Americans are expressing concern now. Over the past few months, immigration, H-1B visa, and birthright citizenship have become major political issues in the US. But many community leaders say that these debates, they should never turn into campaigns targeting the ordinary families or maybe children. In the meantime, for thousands of Indians who are living in the United States, incidents like these create fear and anxiety. Many believe that political disagreement should remain focused on policies and not communities. And yes, at the very same time, the overwhelming majority of Americans continue to support the peaceful coexistence and religious freedom. And you know, that is why many people have condemned videos that target children or places of worship. Now, for Indian families watching this show tonight, well, this incident is another reminder that while opportunity abroad continue to grow, protecting communities' harmony, that remains equally important. But sometimes that particular image of the entire community is affected not only by politics, but sometimes it is affected by the action of just few people from the same community.